Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to be working with silent letter spelled KN, and it makes the N sound. We are still in Unit 7, Week 1, but day number 3. First, we're going to read some sentences. Sentence number 1. I need to write a story about a cowboy. Can you find the word that is a compound word? Now remember, a compound word is two words that are put together to make a new word. If you guess cowboy, you are correct because we have the word cow and then we also have the word boy. Now, when you put them together, it changes the meaning to a cowboy. Okay, now in this sentence, we also have a word that has the skill that we learned yesterday, the silent letter. If you look at the word write, we have WR and it makes the R sound. That means the W is silent. Good job. Number 2, did you play snowball fights with your family? Okay, which word is a compound word? If you guess snowball, you are correct because we have the word snow and ball. That's two words put together to make a brand new word. Okay, let's move on to the next sentence. Number 3, I saw a starfish when I went to the beach. What word is a compound word? If you guess starfish, you are correct because we have two words that were put together to make a new word. The first word is star and the second word is fish. Excellent. Number 4, my birthday was last month. What word is a compound word? If you guessed birthday, you are correct because we have birth and day. That's two words that were put together, and now we have the word birthday. Number 5, he used a wrench to fix the railroad. Now, which word is a compound word? If you guess rail and road, you are correct. Now, there's another word that we also learned yesterday, and it was about a silent letter from the rabbit card. Can you guess which one I'm thinking about? Yes, it's wrench. The word wrench has the sound, so the W is silent. Good job. Number 6, I bought the wrong toothbrush. Can you guess which word is a compound word? Remember, a compound word is two words that are put together to make a new word. If you guess toothbrush, you are correct because we have the word tooth and brush. The new word is toothbrush. We also have another word that we worked on yesterday with the silent letter from the rabbit card. Can you guess which word I'm talking about? Which one am I thinking about? If you said wrong, you are correct because the WR makes the sound, so the W is silent. Okay, so now you're going to listen to me say some words, and I'm going to ask you to change or to add something to the word, and you're going to tell me what the new word is. Okay? So the word is not. Not. If we change the t from the end of the word to k, what's going to be the new word? You guessed it, knock. Now the word is, we have the word not again. And I'm going to change the vowel sound from the not, the into a. What would be the new word when I change the vowel sound of not into an If you said knit, you are correct. Now we have the word knee. Yeah, just like your knee. Now, if you add the ul at the end of the word knee, what's going to be the new word? Kneel. Good job. So now we're going to start with our focus for today. Today we're going to be focusing on the silent letter KN. Yesterday we worked on the GN and the WR from the other GN from the nest card, which is right here, and the WR from the rabbit card. But today we're going to focus on the KN letter. Now that little line tells me there's a letter that is always going to follow. So that means that it can never be at the end of the word. It has to be at the beginning of the word. When you see that spelling, it's at the beginning of the word, and it makes the sound. Therefore, the K is silent. Okay, let's begin. So our focus is spelled KN. Like a nest. E, like in leaf. And what word? Knee. Again, our focus is spelled KN. Like a nest. A, like an octopus. K, like in canoe. Now, if you see the CK, it's right here. There's a box in front of it. That box tells me that there's always a short vowel sound. Now, if you look at the word knock, ah, the ah in octopus is a short vowel, so that I know that the spelling would be CK for the k sound, and the word is knock. Again, our focus is spelled KN. Like a nest. A, like an octopus. B, like in bicycle. And the word is knob, like the doorknob. Excellent. Okay, again, our focus is spelled KN. Like a nest. E, like in leaf. L, like in lemon. And what word? Kneel. See how they kneel? Again, we are focusing with the spelled KN. Like a nest. I, like in pie, and we're looking at the I letter E. Like in fossil. What word? Knife. Again, our focus is spelled KN. Like a nest. O, like in boat. And the word is no. I know the answer. It's our focus, spelled KN. Like a nest. I, like in pie. And you see how the spelling for the I? IGH. And it's right here, IGH. T, like in tomato. And the word is night. Night. And that's the end of our lesson.